Built in 1859. Second Presbyterian, as I like to call it, Central Presbyterian. First service in 1859 and then was officially opened in 1860.
It is the oldest stone church in Columbus, and for it to be in this kind of condition, it's a testament to the people who built it. It was extremely well constructed. This project is a rehabilitation project, and what that means is it preserves the historic character, what makes this building special, while bringing it forward into modern use.
A performance space seemed very natural to us. Churches are the original community gathering spaces. We can do events where we want the entire floor of the sanctuary to be open, or we can build a small stage, we can build a large stage. We can seat people in rows and seats, or we can have them stand and watch a show, or they can dance while they're watching a show.
The federal and state historic tax credit programs allow cultural institutions like Kappa to be able to rehabilitate a building like this.
We couldn't do what we do in our historic buildings without the support from the state and from the State Historic Preservation Office. We're using those funds to make sure that our buildings stay useful and relevant for generations to be used.
I love to see buildings after rehabilitation, and especially for the use that this one is going to have.